Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. First of all, I congratulate Home Science Department and Youth Club, Swaroop Rani, Government College for Women, Amritsar, on conducting such a vital program on nutrition education.
Thank
Today,
you so much, ma'am.
we start with the second series of this program.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Eating, as you all know, constitutes an important part of our daily routine. So it becomes more important to be educated about our diet so that we can strike a balance in our nutrients and take a balanced diet. I would like to elaborate on the role of antioxidants in our food. You, as student of nutrition science, need to know what are oxygen-free radicals. They are very reactive molecules which can react with every cellular component, are produced in various biological reactions, and are important pathogens in many disease processes. Antioxidants are molecules which can safely stop these free radicals from damaging the body cells and hence can stop the disease process. The principal antioxidants are vitamin E, beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C, and selenium. So, including antioxidants in each and every meal can make our diet act as a medicine. How right cooking and right type of food can enrich our diet with antioxidants, I will like Guneet, student of Home Science Department, to elaborate and throw more light on this topic. Thanks. Over to Guneet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You just start with Guneet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for such inspiring
ma'am.
words.
Thank you, Vade. Thank you so much. Just start your program now.
Thank you, ma'am. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Good morning, Honorable Principal, ma'am, respected teachers, and our worthy guests. I, Amisha Gulati, of Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Semester 6, welcome you all on behalf of my whole class and department. We had a great start yesterday with a huge audience joining us from far-off colleges all over North India. We are grateful for such an appreciating response. Moving on, let's welcome our today's presenter, Guneet Bedi from Clinical Nutrition Dietetics, who is going to give a lecture on a very interesting topic, that is antioxidants. I request everyone to switch off their videos and mics and put your questions in the chat box. Guneet, you can take over now.
Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well in this corona time. This is Guneet Bedi from BSc Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic importance of antioxidants. आप लोगों ने कई बार टीवी में एड्स में या फिर मल्टीविटामिन्स की पिल्स के ऊपर लिखा होता देखा होगा रिच इन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स। एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स बेसिकली होते क्या है? हमारी बॉडी में जो भी एजिंग प्रोसेस होता है उसको लोअर करने में एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हमारी हेल्प करते हैं। अलॉन्ग विद दिस इट आल्सो फाइट्स अगेंस्ट फ्री रेडिकल्स। अब ये फ्री रेडिकल्स क्या होते हैं? फ्री रेडिकल्स वो होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी में मॉलिक्यूल्स उनके साथ बहुत जल्दी अटैच होकर एक लंबी सी चेन बना लेते हैं। That may cause serious harm to our body and also cause many diseases like diabetes, cancer, etc. So to avoid this, you need to maintain a balance between the antioxidants and free radicals. So for more details, let's move towards our presentation. Importance of antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are the substances that can prevent damage to cells caused by free radicals. They are sometimes called free radical scavengers. Antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and carotenoids may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Other naturally occurring antioxidants include flavonoids. We get flavonoids from the fruits, vegetables, and many beverages like tea and wine. Flavonoids fight off free radicals that cause oxidative stress. Tannins. It is found in the bark of trees, woods, leaves, fruits, etc. It reduces our blood pressure and also helps to boost up our immune system. Lignans. Chief sources of lignans are legumes, fruits, vegetables, grains, cereals, and oilseeds. It lowers the risk of cancer and also reduces the level of bad cholesterol. Plant-based foods are the best sources. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, and cocoa. What are free radicals? Free radicals are the molecules with unpaired electron. They rob other cells of electrons, causing damage and contributing to many diseases. Without antioxidants, free radicals would cause serious harm very quickly, eventually resulting in death. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants, it can lead to a state called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is mainly caused when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. So this is the diagram that how a normal atom become a free radical by the loss of electron. How free radicals damage our cells. So this is the normal cell. Normal cell means the cell that control its growth, meaning it grow and divide only when required. It is attacked by the free radicals which gets converted into the cell with oxidative stress. Free radicals can cause damage to parts of cells such as proteins, DNA, and cell membranes by stealing their electrons through a process called oxidation. Prolonged oxidative stress can damage your DNA and other important molecules in your body. Sometimes it even leads to cell death. Damage to your DNA increases your risk of cancer. Sources of free radicals. Several lifestyle, stress, and environmental factors are known to promote excessive free radical formation and oxidative stress, including air pollution, radiations, inflammation, smoking, and UV light. How antioxidants work against free radicals. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by giving up some of their own electrons. In making this sacrifice, they act as a natural off switch for the free radical. This helps break a chain reaction that can affect other molecules in the cell and other cells in the body. So this is a diagram that how antioxidant donates electron to free radical so that it acts as a natural off switch for the free radicals and breaks its chain. Antioxidants in foods. The best sources of antioxidants are plant-based foods, especially fruits and vegetables. Foods that are particularly high in antioxidants are often referred to as a superfood or functional. For example, kiwi. Kiwi is considered as a superfood because it is one of the most nutritious fruits which is richest combination of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. To obtain some specific antioxidants, try to include the following in your diet. First, vitamin E. The sources of vitamin A are eggs, carrots, dairy products, broccoli, papaya, and fish. In addition to this, we can also get vitamin A from yellow fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A is a super warrior that fights off free radicals. Beta carotene. We get beta carotene from brightly colored fruits and vegetables such as carrots, peas, spinach, and mango. Beta carotene maintains our skin and protects against UV radiations. Vitamin E. The sources of vitamin E are nuts and seeds, sunflower and other vegetable oils, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin E works against skin cancer and also it is a great moisturizing ingredient. Lutein. Sources of lutein are green leafy vegetables, corn, papaya and orange. It is the antioxidant that protects our eyes and skin against ultraviolet radiations. Lycopene. We get lycopene from pink and red fruits and vegetables such as watermelon, tomato, strawberry and papaya. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant with many health benefits like sun protection, improve earth health and also lowers the risk of certain types of cancer. Selenium. The sources of selenium are rice, corn, wheat, whole grain, nuts, eggs, cheese and legumes. Selenium protects our body from damage caused by oxidative stress. It also boosts up our immune system. Some healthy foods high in antioxidants are first, dark chocolate. Lucky for the chocolate lover because dark chocolate is more nutritious and it has more minerals and antioxidants than the regular chocolate. Though it has a high nutritive value, but along with this, it is more expensive than the regular chocolate. Strawberries. The most popular berries on the planet, it is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants such as lycopene. Beans. These are the most inexpensive way to increase our antioxidant intake. They contains the antioxidant camphorol, which has been linked to anti-cancer benefit. Camphorol is a natural flavanol. Beets, also called beetroot. These are the great source of fiber, potassium, iron, folate and antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, polyphenol and beta-lactam. Spinach. It has vitamins, minerals and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. It protects our eyes from UV light and also it has the ability to prevent cancer. Green tea. It contains a catechine. Catechines are natural antioxidants that helps prevent cell damage and provide other benefits also. Kiwi. It has vitamin C which stimulates the body's immune response. It is a good source of vitamin C, lutein, while zeaxanthin. It helps to remove the free radicals from our body. Also, it supports our heart. Kiwi is considered as a superfood because it is one of the most nutritious fruits with richest combination of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Purple cabbage. It has vitamin C, carotenoids and flavonoids, antioxidants such as anthocyanins and camphorol. Anthocyanins inhibits the tumor formation and also prevent diabetes, while camphorol reduces the risk of chronic disease, especially cancer. Broccoli. A good source of lutein, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc and iron. Tomatoes. They have lycopene, vitamin C and vitamin A. It reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. So it is used in the Mediterranean diet. Benefits of antioxidants. It supports kidney function, improves reproductive function, support immune system and improve body defense, protection against digestive disorders, improves nervous system and support respiratory system, reduce obesity and protect.
Annette.
Yes, ma'am.
I think there was an issue with something wrong with the internet. Please, can you repeat the slide again?
Ma'am, benefits of antioxidants.
Yes, please.
Benefits of antioxidants are: it supports the kidney function, improve reproductive function, supports immune system and improve body defense, reduce obesity and protect liver, improve nervous system and support respiratory system, protection against digestive disorders, anti-aging effect and maintain healthy vision, improves quality of sleep. Dietary tips. Include a fruit or a vegetable every time you eat, meals and snacks included. Have a cup of green or matcha tea every day. Look at the colors on your plate. If your food is mostly brown or beige, the antioxidant levels are likely to be low. Add in foods with rich colors such as kale, beets and berries. So now I am going to share a recipe with you which is high in antioxidants, that is tomato omelette. Here's an opportunity for the vegetarians to enjoy their own creative version of tomato omelette. Yes, this is an eggless tomato omelette for vegetarians. This is the ingredients. You can take the screenshot of the ingredients. Method. Now I will present a video which is made by my friend Jasmeet Kaur. Along with this tomato, you can also add chopped broccoli and spinach to enhance the nutritive value. Nutrient values per omelette. Energy 143 kilocalorie, protein 5.4 gram, carbohydrates 16.1 gram, fiber 4.1 gram, fat 6.4 gram, cholesterol 0 milligram, sodium 21 milligram. Thank you.
Thank you, Guneet. That was an interesting and knowledgeable lecture. I hope our viewers got to learn many new things. Now let's take up questions one by one. Let me open the chat box. You can also open it side by side. So our first question is, what's the probable source of free radicals?
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Guneet, you are not audible.
We do not need free radicals in our body. We have to remove that. Free radicals come from the air pollutions and also from inflammation and also from many dust particles. So we do not need the free radicals in our body. Instead, we need to remove them.
Okay. Second question is, which green tea is best source of antioxidants?
Actually, there are many green teas that are rich in antioxidants, but according to me, matcha tea is the best source of green tea because it has 137 times more antioxidants than the green tea.
Okay. And what's the difference between white tea and green tea?
White tea is actually less bitter than green tea because we pluck the leaves before the green. So it is so the major difference between them is that white tea is more expensive than the green tea. Therefore, we always recommend the regular green tea.
Okay. Should we take antioxidant supplements? This has been asked twice.
Yeah, we can take antioxidant supplement. Rather, I will tell that you have to take the antioxidants in the form of foods like tomato, watermelon, which is rich in lycopene and vitamin C instead of supplements. But still, if you want to take the supplement, please consult your doctor first because overdose of supplement may cause a risk in your body.
Next question. How much lycopene do we need per day?
There is no official recommendation of the lycopene that we can take per day, but in the gap of 8 to 13 hours, we can take the lycopene, which is more healthy.
Next question. What is the best way to prepare vegetables to retain the most antioxidant activity?
Some veggies from cooking, some veggies may have more antioxidants, but we can also take the veggies as a raw form because raw form also contains some of the antioxidants. But overcooking of any veggie, spinach, either cabbage or any veggie, it may destroy all the nutrients. Therefore, you need to cook the veggie only until it gets tender.
So Jasleen Kaur wants to ask, why do we consider kiwi as a superfood?
Yes, it's a very good question. Kiwi is considered as a superfood because it has a high nutritive value and it contains all the fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals in it.
Another student wants to ask Rimti Mahe, is it okay to eat broccoli every day?
Yes, you can take broccoli every day, but it has some side effect also. Like it can cause gas because it is from the Brassica family and also cause the bowel irritation because of its high fiber content.
Himanshi Mahajan wants to ask some other example of superfood.
Some other example of superfoods are watermelon. You can also take watermelon, pomegranate. The best source of antioxidant. Pomegranate juice has the highest source of antioxidant. So instead of kiwi, you can take that.
you, Guneet. I think that was the last. Okay, there's one more. Shubh wants to ask, does milk block antioxidant in food and beverages?
Milk blocks some of the antioxidants, but not all the antioxidants. Like if you add milk to the tea, you may block only 30% of antioxidants were diminished, but still with 70% antioxidant still remain. Therefore, milk does not block all the antioxidants.
Okay. Is there any other question someone wants to ask? Let's just wait for 5 minutes.
Amisha, you can ask her a question. Or should we ask Madam Principal to ask her a question? Should we ask Madam Principal to ask Guneet a question? मैम आप पूछिए कोई.
मुझे ये टॉपिक सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. एक्चुअली आई स्टडीड इट वेरी वेल yesterday. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, और मैंने अपने हस्बैंड, बिकॉज वो डॉक्टर हैं, उनसे भी सारा डिस्कस किया था ये टॉपिक. तो जैसे अभी एक क्वेश्चन रेज हुआ था कि आप पंजाबी में भी करो.
हाँ जी.
तो आई जस्ट नोट कि मैं ਹੁਣ ਲਾਸਟ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਜਸਟ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਸੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਅਤੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਟਾਫ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਅਤੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਸਫਲ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਆਪਣਾ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਯੂਥ ਕਲੱਬ ਅਤੇ ਹੋਮ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਉਚੇਚੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ. ਤੇ ਗੁਨੀਤ ਜਿਸਨੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਆਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੁਚੱਜੇ ਢੰਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੀਤਾ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਆਫ ਮਾਈ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਾਈ ਕਲੀਗਸ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਾਂ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰਾਂ. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, we will try to do it in a mixed language from tomorrow onwards. I also read that about that कि आप पंजाबी मीडियम से करो. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਕਸਡ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਤੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਸਕੇ. ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਯੂਜੂਅਲੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਬਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ?
ठीक है. Thank you so much, Victor. Thank you. Thank you, Philip.
Thank you, ma'am. Please 2 minutes or Amisha is going to finish.
Okay.
I would also like to share that we have recorded sessions of yesterday's and today's topic, and you can get it from us by joining the link provided in the chat box. Thank you everyone for being a supportive audience. Once again, we are thankful to our Madam Principal, Madam Sunila Sharma and Madam Munna Bagga for giving us this opportunity. Happy to see you all in tomorrow's lecture about pseudoserials. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much.